Wow. So yummy, yummy food. Wow. Grilled duck. They're selling by the young man. So yummy, yummy. One only $3 and a half. He's selling every night from 5 to 10 o'clock at the market Phnom Penh City. So yummy, yummy. So amazing. He said one night around you can say 1,050 real dark. So yummy, yummy with vegetable and the sauce spicy. That's so yummy. So amazing. See, so cool. Made you hungry, everyone. So amazing. Smells so good. So yummy, yummy. Now he cut it. So amazing. Look so yummy, yummy. Make you hungry. Lots of people at street food to buy and sell. Let's enjoy dinner together, everyone. Now done already. You see, make you hungry. Done one box already. So yummy, yummy food. Okay. So, thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys like it. See you next video.